Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make coconut rice without shellfish or seafood because some people are actually allergic. So can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to this easy gorgeous dish. So here I'll be tossing my herbs with a bit of thyme, some rosemary and some fennel seeds. I'll toss that to release the essence of the spices. And I'm going to be adding some oil, not so much. You can use coconut oil, you can use vegetable oil, whichever oil works for you is fine. Give that a good stir. Now I'm adding my coarsely blended onions and peppers, no tomatoes, just onions and peppers. Once it's become translucent, I'm adding my coconut milk and some stock. You can use chicken stock, you can use beef stock, a bit of white pepper, some bouillon cubes, and some salt. I'm going to give that a good stir. Cover and allow it to simmer until it starts to boil out, just like that. And now it's time to add our rice. Yes, so you add your rice. You either parboil the rice or you just wash it well, depending on the type of beans you're using. Give that a good stir. Now cover that up with a foil and a cover to ensure that you seal in all the heat. And then once it's dried up a bit, add your vegetables. Now I used frozen veggies, you can use fresh veggies and some bell peppers. Flick that out, cover it up and allow it to dry out for like another 5 minutes. And fam, your rice is ready. So you just flick it, stir that so that every herb is like mixed well with the rice. And guys, this is ready. I had mine with some pan-seared chicken. It was amazing. Yes. Do I prefer this to the one with shellfish? No. But then you have to take into consideration people's health issues. So thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah. Bye.